Red Sea geography, bordering countries and strategic routes explained. Introduction. The Red Sea is a vital waterway between Africa and Asia, linking global trade through the Suez Canal in the north and the Bab-el-Mandeb Strait in the south. It is bordered by 6 countries and indirectly connected to others via the Gulf of Aqaba, making it one of the busiest and most strategic seas in the world. Countries directly bordering the Red Sea. Egypt. Egypt controls the northern entrance of the Red Sea. Its eastern coastline runs along the sea, and it connects the Red Sea to the Mediterranean through the Suez Canal. This makes Egypt one of the most strategically important countries in global trade and shipping. Sudan. Sudan has a long western coastline along the Red Sea. Ports like Port Sudan serve as key trade outlets for the country. Its location provides access to maritime routes connecting Africa with Asia and Europe. Eritrea. Eritrea lies along the Red Sea with a coastline that includes several islands such as the Dahlak archipelago. Its position gives it strategic importance in controlling shipping lanes near the southern Red Sea. Djibouti. Djibouti sits at the southern gateway of the Red Sea near the Bab-el-Mandeb Strait. This narrow passage connects the Red Sea to the Gulf of Aden, making Djibouti a critical hub for international naval and commercial shipping. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia has the longest Red Sea coastline on the eastern side. Major cities like Jeddah are located here. The Red Sea is vital for Saudi Arabia's trade, tourism, and religious travel routes to Mecca and Medina. Yemen. Yemen borders the southern part of the Red Sea and also connects to the Gulf of Aden. Its coastline lies along one of the busiest maritime routes in the world, making it geopolitically significant. Somalia. Somalia's northern coast lies along the Gulf of Aden, which is directly linked to the Red Sea. The connection happens through the narrow Bab-el-Mandeb Strait, one of the world's most important shipping choke points. Because of this location, Somalia sits on a major global trade route connecting Europe, Asia, and Africa. Countries indirectly connected, via gulfs. Israel. Israel does not border the main Red Sea but has access through the Gulf of Aqaba. Its southern port city, Eilat, connects it to Red Sea trade routes. Jordan. Jordan has a very small coastline on the Gulf of Aqaba. Through its port city Aqaba, Jordan gains indirect access to the Red Sea, which is essential for its imports and exports. Red Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. The Red Sea, between Africa and Arabia, is warm, salty, and rich in coral reefs. The Mediterranean Sea, between Europe, Africa, and the Middle East, is large, historic, and vital for trade. The Suez Canal connects them, linking Europe and Asia. Arabian Sea. The Arabian Sea lies between the Arabian Peninsula and India, connecting to the Red Sea via the Gulf of Aden and to the Bay of Bengal through the Indian Ocean. It is an important route for international trade, especially for oil and goods traveling between the Middle East, Africa, and South Asia. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Red Sea is a highly strategic and economically important waterway, directly bordered by 6 countries and indirectly connected to others through key routes like the Gulf of Aqaba. With vital choke points such as the Bab-el-Mandeb Strait and its link to the Suez Canal, it supports a major share of global trade. Its geopolitical importance, rich marine life, and role in connecting continents make it one of the most significant seas in the world.